Hi everybody, this is going to be a video about telling time. I'm hoping this is a review for most of you. I want to start by talking about the times of day. So we're just going to talk about the general times of day. Times of day. Okay, so we can break the day into a couple different general times. We can call morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay. In the morning, I think of when the sun is up, but technically anything after 12 o'clock midnight is the morning. So if it is 12:30 a.m., it is the morning. We would call that early in the morning. My daughter wakes up to be fed around 3:30 a.m., so she wakes up in the morning at 3:30. This is confusing for many people learning English because the sun is not up, so we do not think of that as being the morning, but it is technically the morning. So remember, anything past midnight is the morning. We switch to noon at precisely or exactly 12 o'clock, and this would be 12 o'clock p.m. Noon is only one time, and it is 12 o'clock. Just like midnight is 12 o'clock a.m., noon is 12 o'clock p.m. Anything after 12 o'clock, so 12:02, this is considered afternoon. It literally means after noon, so después noon if you speak Spanish. Okay, evening. Evening is a wider range of time. I consider evening any time that I'm home after school or work. So maybe about 3 o'clock until the sun goes down. Night is going to be when the sun is down. So honestly, this is affected by the season. I might think of the evening as 7 o'clock during the summer, but in the winter time, when it is dark at 7 o'clock, I would say it is 7 at night. Okay, now let's talk about words that we use for these times of day. If something's happening in the morning, you use in. So if it's 8 o'clock, let's say it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The phrase here is in the morning. If something is happening at noon, I would say lunch is at noon. Remember, noon is a very specific time. It's only one time of day. So we use the pronoun at. Let's say it's afternoon, so 12:30. I eat in the afternoon. Or it's 12:30 in the afternoon. We have the phrase in the. We're going to use in the for evening as well. Here's where it is different. When we switch over to night, we now say at night. So 8 o'clock at night. It's 8 o'clock at night, or I eat at 8 o'clock at night. There's two ats in that sentence. So remember the pronouns in the for most of the times of day, at for 12 o'clock and for midnight because they're specific times of day, and at for night. Okay. Now that we've talked about general times of day, we are going to talk about how we actually say the time. In American English, there's two ways that you can say the time commonly. You can start by saying the hour and then the numbers. So for example, 8:10, and then I would say AM for morning or PM for the evening or night. Or we can say this another way. We can start by saying the minutes before the hours. We do this by saying 10 past 8. Okay, you should have watched a video that talks all about this and had some practice with it, but let's just review it. Remember that when we have a clock, 12 o'clock's here, 6 is here, so that means 30 minutes. This means o'clock, 00. 3 is going to be 15 minutes past, and 9 is going to be 45 minutes. Okay. Anything at or before the 30-minute mark, we say past. So this means if the time is 12:29, I would say 29 past 12 if I want to say it the way where I'm starting with minutes first. Anything after the 30-minute mark, we say 2. This means you need to do some math. So if the hand is right here on the 8, I might need to say, so there's 20 minutes to the new hour. So if it's 12:40 now, I can say 12:40, or I can say 20 to 9. I say 20 to 9 because there's 20 more minutes until, or to, it is 9 o'clock. Okay. I hope that this video helps. I'm going to be asking you some questions in the assignments that asks you to write the time or write the correct preposition before the time of day.